Hello friend, my name is Prathamesh Kate and today's non-technical topic that name is food wastage. Food wastage occurs along the entire entire spectrum of production from the to the direct distribution to rich restores to the consumer. Reason include losses from phases or indicates climate control, losses from cooking and internal food wastage. This wastage is categorized differently based on where it occurs. Food, food loss occurs before the food reaches from consumer results, on the result of issues in the production, storage, processing, and distribution phases. Food wastage refers to a food that is fit for consumption but conclusively discard in at the retail or consumption phase. Wastage food has a far-reaching effects both national and global. In the US, up to 40% of all food production goes under, and about 95% discard food ends up handles. It is the larger component of municipal solid wastage at 24 waste. Uh, and of the pack product is through always underrated underrated causing an increased burden on the environment. It is estimated that reduce food wastage by 50% could food more than 25 million American every year. Uh, Benefits of less food wastage. Cost saving on a level through the more efficient handling preparation and storage food that will be used. Cost saving when purchasing only as much food we needed, and override addition control of the disposition. Reduce the material estimate from the land and the lower carbon involve the growth, manufacturing, transporting, and selling of a food. Community global reducing the wastage from wastage food has been Clyde as a key in invention it in achieve and production, which include to introduce to measure in order to unlimitedly reduce global food loss and food wastage. In the US, on June 4, 2013, the Department along from entire spectrum from production, from the form to distribution to retail refers to the consumer. Reason include losses from mode, uh, pest or inadequate climate control, losses from the cooking and internal food wastage. This waste is categorized differently based on where it occurs. Food less occurs before the food reach, so that consumer as a result of issues of agriculture and environmental production agency in launched the US food wastage challenges, calling on the entire occurs on the food uh, claim include processed food functions, grocery store, restaurant, and school, and local governments.